I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be close to me, you will exist to see. I miss you more than life. What's up, traders? Good to have you again. This is the Trading Assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking I am looking at Brent oil OTC chart. So let's see if we can already get some moves. Crash and Mash, good to see ya. Hafiz, good to have you. KK, good to see ya. 868, good to see ya. Traders, tell me how have you spent your day today? I really had a great day, guys. I had a great day actually. Yeah, let us see if we can lock in any entries already. You know, my strategy is simple, price action. I don't like complicating things. I love keeping it simple. Can you to the reggae no be blues and no, make us no. Feel like you were like a rolling kitty like that, and I know that you know that's Brazilian. And everybody guys, somehow you spent your day today. Sundays are the best days for back testing. So that's when the week starts, you lock in those moves very well. Sweet, for real, for me. C'est la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. We need it now, baby. Smart Fix, good to see ya. Kill me now. Beat it on her knees. She said that we now. Okay, my first moves, and I'm seeing it, so the market is already heading in my anticipated direction. This is gonna be a good night. Already. To the reggae no be blues and no, yeah. Make us no. She pop cannabis smoke and she think she a body of the highest order. Crazy girl. I know say me and the Jones, I know the reason. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. For real, for me. C'est la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. We need it now, baby. Kuku kill me, Bakariri. Kuku kill me now. Kuku beat it on her knees. She said now we now. Sweet, for real, for me. Sweet, c'est la Vivi, hasta la Vivi, looking pretty. We need it now, baby. Tell me guys, how you spent your day today? Do you have any traders that really looks at the charts that executed? I had a very simple, busy day. Simple and busy. And you know, guys, busy days at the end of a busy day, I be feeling fulfilled because I've accomplished whatever I was planning to do. So that's the feeling I have right now.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, get through strictly with that fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, get them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya. Nah,
it's what how it go. Fridays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. If this world outdoors, love, maybe you would stop, straight force. When I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Bobby, count, wrist, frost, check, count on the way home. This world, concrete flows go. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just want to see if this world.
I can't lie, I trust you, I love you. I will waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Mark your attendance, traders. Tell me how has your day been? Tell me how has your day been? How have you spent your day? Nico, good to see ya. Cameron, good to have you. World's Free Speech. Okay, good to see ya. Jerome, good to see ya. Good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple. It is price action. And when it comes to price action, you have to first understand which market you're dealing with. Just by looking at market structure, you can clearly tell this is a bearish market. And in a bearish market, you have two options: to take sales as continuation entries, or to take pullback moves. The key here is to know when to take those trades, and you're gonna be taking them in key areas. Key areas in a bearish market are the highs and the lows of the market. And whenever you are on your execution time frame, it is really important to map out to know where the most recent high, most recent low is, and where the most recent break of structure. If you can easily map out those 3 points, they are literally going to be you're going to base on that to ask yourself, where is the market most likely to head, what is happening, and if you can answer that, you can really execute. So this is a continuation move, locked in.
I put in AP water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. Tryna get it done.
Guys, tell me how you spent your Sunday. I really had a great day, guys. I had a great day. It was one of those days where I'm doing me. It was actually a very beautiful, relaxing Sunday for me. 11, good to see you. Cat Lover, good to have you. So I'm gonna be looking for more sales because market structure is still confirmed. We are in a bearish market, so I'm gonna be looking for more sales. My bias is still bearish until I see a pullback that takes out the most recent high. And if I don't see that, I'm going to assume it's a bearish market until otherwise. currently the market has just broke structure to the downside, and we all know what happens after a break of structure to the downside. You anticipate a pullback. A pullback does not happen immediately, so you do not see one single green candle for a bearish market and you assume it's a pullback. You'd want to see some serious candle movement, and it does you well if the candles really have a bigger body. Jealousy, 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 to the best of me.
Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I
Always make the same mistakes, yeah.
always make the same mistakes, cause
I'm bad in love, but you can't blame me for trying. You know I've been lying, saying this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Share with me, traders, your experience. You guys, if you really didn't look at that chart, at least you'd have, I believe Sundays, some guys go to church. What do you be doing? What do you be doing on such a day? I am trading binary options. I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes, yeah.
always make the same mistakes, cause I'm bad in love.
But you can't blame me for trying.
You know I've been lying, saying going away. That could finally fix me.
Looking at my history,
I'm bad in love. Oh, you know. I'm bad in love. I'm bad in love.
this is a continuation entry. The market is still bearish.
I know that you're afraid.
I really don't know. I don't know where it's heading, but I'm gonna just keep on selling it. It's either going down in the DL, but we all know the easiest way you can trade a trendy market like now is by following that trend, especially if you're a beginner. Yeah, you can first focus on perfecting your continuation entries because most of the time they're easier to spot. Then as you're getting better at trading, you can start thinking of adding more entry pullbacks. Just church and have dinner with family later. All right, that's really nice. I mean, guys, I also spend my weekends sometimes with fam, especially my Saturday. I love hanging out with fam or friends because why not? Baby, who cares? Alright, someone is asking. Someone is asking, how do you know it? No, but guys, one thing you should know, if you really want to become a better trader, there are some things that shouldn't be so much of your concern, especially what happens, because what disturbs, I know what goes in traders' minds whenever they are trading is they want to know what is going to happen after you execute your entries. But whatever happens after you execute your either buys or sells in the market, it is something you cannot control. You can really control everything before you execute an entry, but after you have really bought or sold, you cannot really push the market to go up or to go down for a sale. That is what makes trading so risky. Because if every trader could tell that the market after me buying it's going to be pushed up, I mean trading would not be risky as it is. So if you can really make peace with that in your mind, you're going to realize trading is much easier for you if you focus more on the things you can do before your entry, and after your entry you just wait and watch to see. It's on record there isn't any trader that knows what happens after their execution. So that's why trading is all about having a probabilistic mindset. That is, you're going to execute a trade. It may go in your direction or take you out. It is that simple. If you can't take that in, then trading is not for you, because then there wouldn't be any risk when it comes to trading if we all know what is going to happen after I buy or sell. Baby, okay. So the things you can do before you execute a buy, it is following your strategy, getting confluences and confirmation, then you execute and wait. What I do whenever I'm looking at the chart and what I'm doing currently right now is the first thing I first do if I'm analyzing the markets is to first know the market I am dealing with. Am I in a bullish market? Am I in a bearish market? Am I in a sideways market?
Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. But it's life I cannot change. Hit it, keep off in the main.
We all know market structure, and we all know the market moves differently in all the markets, and how you approach it is different. The next thing I have to know is looking at the market structure to confirm the market. But also when I'm looking at the market structure, especially in terms of execution, I want to ask myself, where is the most recent high? Where there is the most recent low? And where is the break of structure, most recent break of structure? I can identify those 3 points, because we all know the market is moving either to take out a low, to take out a high, and sometimes it trades in between that high and that low. So if you can identify that, you can easily tell where the market is most likely to head. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, and its pocket option.
Never go, dip on the set, stay Santana. Yeah, run it back, turn the lights on when I hit up Green Lantern. Yeah, fly the bars, fly the dogs down to Atlanta. Yeah,
interesting. Guys, if you really, every trader has a way they are learning, but you cannot, okay, from the way I was learning, I did not get this entire concept at once, but through practice and really locking in consistently, you're going to realize these concepts, you can get them. Focus on one thing and add on another and keep on adding on another. And also whenever you're trading, try to simplify your setup for yourself. When I'm starting out to trade, guys, I'm always telling you this. I started out as a trader who was mapping out all the highs and the lows in the market. Right now, because I really got better at trading, I can easily just look at the structure and I tell where the high is and the low is. But when you're just starting out, sometimes it is hard for you. So the easiest way you can do that is by starting to, when you're trading, always map out your highs, your lows, so that when you know this high is taken out, you see it is going to be easier for you to see a candle closing above that mapped out zone. And you can tell now the market has broke structure. You start anticipating a pullback. Since you mapped out a low already, if the market doesn't take out that low in a bullish market and it gives you a confirmation, continuation candle. You can easily be seeing those things because you already mapped them out.
Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods, on a Mustang, where we sang
Songs with all our childhood friends.
and it went like this, say,
Oops, I got
and I'm singing bye, bye, bye.
hold up.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
Baby,
Jumping with me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers.
okay.
Fast forward to 18.
Let's move, let's move.
Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back.
But anyways, all those things, they are going to matter if you really made your decision that you're gonna be a trader. I know there are some guys here who are still just testing waters. Ah. If you are still just testing waters, you're not sure you're gonna be a trader, you're going to still not fully lock in. But if you really want to lock in, if you want to really fully lock in, you do anything. The day we fell in love. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends.
Oh, now I got 99 promise singing bye, bye, bye.
Structure is bullish.
Take a ride with me,
Structure is bullish.
one time. Jumping with me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. On the day we fell in love. 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 On the day we fell in love.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Guys, tell me how you spent your day. Actually, it's a new month. It's a new month. So let me hope we already have traders that have their trading plan intact and they are moving
I
with
don't give a
it.
fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel? Can't say it didn't surprise me. Last time I looked to my right, you niggas was standing beside me. How can some people I love hang around pussies who try me? Let's go. What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. I'm whipping around on like 600 acres. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You niggas just better not ask for no favor. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's love for my brothers and debt to a trader. Let's go. She might decide to say no to me now, but say yes to me later. Let's go. Her ass is all natty like Florida Gator. Let's go. You switch on the guys and supported a hater. Let's go. What's the get back for niggas is TBD. I look at this shit like a BTC. Could be down this week and I'm up next week. I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. Asking me how did it feel? Can't say it didn't surprise me. Last time I looked to my right, you niggas was standing beside me. How can some people I love hang around pussies who try me? Let's go.
My candles are 5 seconds
What did I miss?
and my expiration time is 15
What did I
seconds.
miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Niggas get punched in the face with some TLC shit on the dead guy. Some TLC shit cause my nigga, you don't need a chili ice pack for your left eye. I'm back in your city tonight, walking around with my head high. I saw bro at the pop, I never been get right gang since headline.
Oh my God.
Nobody's there, just gonna give it out 2 tones. And nobody cares until they're in front of your tombstone. Y'all been on that type of timing for too
Guys, when
long.
it comes to trading, you have to pick everything you're picking, from the trading pair, from the strategy, from the time frames. You have to pick things. You have to pick setups that you know you're gonna be comfortable with, and they also suit your trading style. That is really, really important.
When I was looking at y'all,
Because picking all that is going to help you as you're locking in. If you're really picking complicated, you do not have to trade the same way I do trade, or you do not have to trade the same way other traders are trading. You have to trade the way you feel it is right, and you're going to be identifying those what works out for you. If you're really consistently showing up, you could find yourself you are a better trader when you are on a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Go with that. You do not have to force things, guys. Because remember, guys, we are locked in for life, and as long as you're locked in for life, that is one thing you should know. Pick what is easier for you. Actually, the more you keep it simple, the more you're really gonna find trading is easier for you compared to trying to complicate things.
I see it and I don't act like I'm blind. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. No emotions come alive, so I tell the truth all the time. Ain't got no sympathy for no bitch. I admit that I'm rich and I'm lit. Jumping up on stages, I get 200 occasions. But I ain't really for the game, but we make niggas shut they trap down. They see how I made it, I'm the reason they won't rap now. See me out in traffic, make a hater pull his head down. Biggie's OG salute me, a stylist can't even style me. The robbers probably wanna get me on my and I Lamborghinis. The Yankees turn in my city, they try me, I get it cracked.
Yeah, guys, when it comes to trading, honestly, especially time frames, pick some with your trading session. Because I'm always sharing with you guys, it is always nice to be consistent, not just by showing up on the charts. You have to be consistent with your charts, your strategy, your setups, and all that. So you have to be picking. You have to be picking something that you know you're going to do consistently.
I know I went there for you, at least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was, I told you that I was hardest. I'm emotionally scarred, that ain't even your fault. But don't listen to them haters trying to feel you, it was soft. How this revenue coming in? I probably never spend. I just bought my BM a Benz. Now that's another Benz. I just cut off all of my friends and brought my brothers in. I don't see nobody but me. Who I'm gonna lose to? I can't move around without two. These niggas lose screws. I can see me taking the lead over the new school. They remember me from selling weed at my old school. Only hit it once and now it's old news. Blew up who the fuck with new. Make my check out Nipsey Blue. If I get one, you get one too. I really move how bosses move. I never call myself a goat. I leave that up to the people. Everybody can't go to the top. I had to leave some people. I'ma be forever scheming. Woke up, I thought I was dreaming. Watch my little boy play with toys. I just dropped a tear of joy. Some shit that I feel for. I've been going crazy with the story, call me baby hard. They say I'll be great, I guess I'm waiting for it. Young age, learn how to get paid. Big stage, long way from Section 80. Big wave, he gon' have to get saved. Riding on foreign, she said on the foreign. I know I went there for you, at least I said I'm sorry. You know what it was, I told you that I was hardest. I'm emotionally scarred, that ain't even your fault. But don't listen to the haters trying to feel you, it was soft. Young age, learn how to get paid. Big stage, long way from Section 80.
Okay, let us see if we can get any move already. You can see the market has just taken out a high, and we all know after taking out a high, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. So let us switch out and see.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo. Light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure.
Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you.
So Prince, good to see ya. Dream, good to have you. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn traders. It's a war zone. It's a paradise in the sun.
My enemy, my ally, prisoners. Then we're free. It's the thin line. I'm seeing the pleasure, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So wake up the neighbor.
Yes, guys, I do look at other pairs because why not? With my strategy as price action, it can be applied on all charts and all time frames, so it is easier for you to switch from a single pair to another, as long as you know what to really look out for whenever you are on the charts. As long as you know what to look out for whenever on the charts, you can trade any pair with price action. It's a timeless strategy. Because with price action, you're just looking at the current price movements and you based on that to execute your entries. It's a paradise and it's the war zone.
It's a paradise.
It's a war zone.
It's a paradise. And it's a war zone.
When I think you used to love me, you used to love me, and maybe I will wait for you, slow wine for you. I'm Rami, good to see ya. Tell me how is your day moving for you? I still remember back in December was the hottest winter. The love day in town. There is no container. Baby, I will ride for you, slow wine for you. Oh my god. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Nicole, good to see you. Touch me around, na, 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 na. I'll be a friend and I was once before. Screaming
Money make it fun, no different. Singing wine, mommy, wine, mommy, wine, mommy, wine. Ooh.
This is a continuation move, guys, and it is locked in a plus. You can see the market has been going up, took out a high, led to a pullback. The pullback didn't take out a low, and it gave us a bullish confirmation. You can see an engulfing candlestick pattern there. I executed based on that, and you know, when it comes to trading with price action, knowing the key areas, it's gonna be easier for you to know when to take the moves. You find yourself not really buying, because sometimes some of the mistakes traders make it is you may find yourself selling the pullback late or buying buying the pullback so early, and all those, they may take you out in the market. Yes, you could be knowing the concept, but just the timing could be wrong. And knowing the turning points in the market is going to help you identify where you can, the key areas where you can know that right now this is the best time to take this entry.
She says to me, I hear pain in her voice.
So mapping out the right structure is key. It's key for any price action trader, because those are the turning points that are going to be guiding you onto your next entry. Because after mapping them out, you want to ask yourself, where is the market most likely to head? And if you can answer that, then you're going to execute an entry based on that. Would you sorry, excuse me about. Anyways, when it comes to candlestick patterns and how you can apply them in the market, because we all know candlestick patterns, they're either going to show you a continuation, candlestick patterns are either going to show you a continuation or a reversal. And the first thing you have to know when it comes to candlestick patterns is what makes it valid and how it is appearing on the charts for it to be right. For example, for a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, you would want to see a red candle, and the next candle is green and it's covering both its body and its wick. That is the right engulfing candlestick pattern. The opposite is true for a bearish. First candle is green and the next candle is big, is red, big enough to cover its wick and its body. So after knowing how the engulfing candlestick pattern looks like, the next thing is to know when to apply it. You can use an engulfing candlestick pattern as a reversal move and as a continuation move, but all those are only done in key areas. For example, if I'm in a bullish market, I'm going to use a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern as a continuation move when the market has just pulled back, but it fails to take out the most recent low, and then it offers you that bullish engulfing candlestick pattern printed on the chart. The moment you see it, it's a sign that the market is most likely to get back into a continuation. All you have to do is to take the entry in that anticipation and you wait. What happens after that, it's none of your business. Honestly, if you can make this as to yourself as a trader, that you know what happens after I executed, I have no control over it, you're going to find yourself in a better place with even your psychology, and you focus more on what you should do before you really take the entry, because that's where your power lies. before you take an entry, you have all options to wait for the market to give you a confirmation. But after taking the entry, you just have to wait and see what happens after. Because we all know the market can even go against you even when you're right. So you shouldn't be stressing on what is happening after I've really bought or sold the market. You just wait. You focus on what you should do before you take the execution.
She wanna beg and I get that. She tryna leave, tell me she so that she leave. She wanna I'm a little bean, skinny me she be right back and we boo. At the top we go swimming no pool. And that pounds I'm laughing on you. So she fucking with me. You know I lie to you, then moves and break your heart. I would tell you a lie, I'm saying the truth for me, you stuff. How you gonna take it this far? Baby, know that you fuck with a star. Baby, know that you fuck with a star. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than
oh my.
Truth is we laugh and they want us all.
Damn.
Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love. Oh, I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie.
See, it's never interesting when the market takes you and you know everything is in line. Yeah, because it also happens. That is the risk that comes with trading, and that's why whenever you think of trading, you should trade with capital that you're willing to lose, because such instances they do happen in the market. And the other thing, because if such moments happen to you and the market takes you out, you know, if you had risk management in place, it doesn't take your entire account. It just takes a small percentage of it, of which you can get better entries and you recover. That is all about trading. And that is the money. Anything can do happen in the market anytime. Anything can happen. I know, guys, you've been there and you're seeing your entry, your trade is moving well, then all of a sudden you see some crazy momentum from nowhere. So it's all part of trading. But with risk management, you know your account will be safe because you are not risking the entire account on a single trade or on a few trades. You just sit back and you know at least the account is still here. I mean, I have more options to really get it back or to get better moves.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest.
I wanna let me go.
So I played it cool and I was scared to let it go. I know I needed you, but I never saw you. I wanna stay with you until we get on. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school.
Alright, guys, I'm checking these sales because the market is still dropping down. I'm just trying to follow that trend. Yeah, it has not given me any reason not to take the sales. So let's see how it go.
Dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better.
Better.
You make me feel this way somehow.
I'm in love with you.
I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. I want to stay with you.
Yeah, you have to know also all the traders that keep on asking, how do you know? Trading is all about taking the risk. With a strategy, with everything, you have to know that trading is all about taking the risk. And if you're not willing to take on that risk, then trading is not for you. Because I know most traders that find it so hard to execute, it is because they are looking for a certain level of perfection, that they want to know what is going to happen exactly. Oh my Lord. Buyers have invalidated my move here. I'm still bearish. So let us see if buyers are really still pushing the market down. Trading is all about taking the risk. We all know no risk, no Ferrari. Yes, there are days you have to take those entries. You have to take those entries based on that. So if you're looking for certainty, then trading is not for you. Because as a trader, your mindset should be probabilistic, that it could go in. You have started, guys. You have started. Oh my God. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Someone is saying, why don't you take full margin for the Ferrari? It doesn't work like that also. Yes, it's all about taking the risk, but without risk management, your account may be wiped out on a single trade, and you also lose your capital. So it's also about protecting your capital. So one thing I realized when it comes to trading, there are moments when you're going to capitalize in the market. If you see a good move, because honestly, there are those moments in the market when the market is really showing you a clear move. If you see a clear move and the confirmations are all there, you have every right to capitalize. But capitalizing doesn't mean you should really put your entire account on that single entry, on those single entries. But of course, you have to take the risk. So all traders that are not willing to take on the risk, then trading isn't for you. That is the honest truth. That is the reality. If you're not willing to take on the risk, then you should try farming, I guess. Oh my God. It's so perfect, you don't need no filter. My strategy is simple. It is price action, and when it comes to price action, I look out for first understanding the market condition, understanding market structure, and I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Don't need no my only intentions.
You don't need mentions. Got what I'm saying? Go. You don't want to be independent. In the mind your business. We get our feelings. It's 50%. Attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen.
It's a blessing.
Listen, both get it. You the best thing. I don't need a witness. I'm gonna find me a ring and pray it's perfect. It is perfect.
It's so perfect, you don't need no
So just make them drop dead to a killer.
show you with all my attention.
In the kitchen cooking up, got your own plate. Heart full of equity, you're an asset.
Don't need no man to manage it. These are my only intentions. That's all I need to do.
Of course, after knowing the strategy, it doesn't stop on knowing the strategy, traders. You also consider risk management, also building market discipline. It's really important because discipline is what is going to make you last longer in these markets. Even when you have the biggest capital, if you don't really build market discipline and risk management, still trading isn't for you. If you really build it, trading actually gets easier when you have discipline. I know you're always on the night shift. And I don't need no explanation.
You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work. You don't gotta go to work. Let my body do the work. We can work from home. Let's put it in motion. I'ma give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a vacate till I get into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us, ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on the night shift. How do you suppress emotions? The biggest I agree with you, honestly. Emotions are the biggest enemy to the trader. And guys, emotions completely, to be honest. You can never be there and you are 100% emotionless when it comes to trading. But the beauty about it is to be things like fear of execution, things like trying to control the outcome of your trade. Those are the things you can really work on. And if you control such things, because you know there are some emotions that come from missing out a trade, there are some emotions that come from maybe you rushed a trade. There are emotions, those emotions, I believe everyone can control them by doing the right thing. That is, if you have a strategy, it is best to wait for entries that are in line with your strategy. You also get over deeper to understanding the key levels. For example, there are days, honestly, I would trade because I'm seeing some crazy big selling candles and I just choose to fly with them. But now that I'm flying with them, but I'm not even sure if they are in a key area or not. And the moment you execute your sales like this, green candles start printing on the charts. But if you have a strategy and you choose to stick with it no matter what, such mistakes stop happening. And the more you stop making mistakes that you feel like you can control, is going to get at. We all know there are losses you can take from the market and they really do not affect you so bad because you know you did what is right, compared to the losses that you know it is your fault. And those are the losses that affect us more. Okay. She wanna get a little dirty. Alright guys, our key for the donation is already up. Let me see you type ready, because in a few we are gonna get into them. And let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into the donations.
Yeah, guys, let me see comment ready because in a few we are getting into the
This one as we collabo. Red Bull and Dogo Yaro. For tonight, Royal Rumble. This one a Ogo Dogo. And a Budi Go. Ibro Godo. She knows it.
guys, we all know donations. I do them for traders that want me to trade for them. So if you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that and I'll surely add you to the queue. So let us lock in for our first participant, Serene, for 3 attempts.
She says she wanna get a little dirty and she Shawty's starting to me sloppy. She know that my confidence. She know that I'm on If I'm
Guys, don't spam comments while you're here. Focus on asking trading questions. Yeah, and we are in with our first attempt. Oh my god, this is overplaying here. Okay, we finally get movement in our direction. First attempt is in.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got fit but she wanna get Finnegan, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be criminal. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus, they had their chance not doing it. Now this girl want me in her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my goodness.
Could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters. I just put 9 gal in a sprint.
I'm sorry about that. Our second attempt has been invalidated. Let us move on to our next.
Alright. Let's send the address through, please.
SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time and Bella line and track. Spend like I don't even like my stack.
Let us move on to Helen.
Let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I ball. No yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out the show after all them years of doing a cat sprinter. 2 gal in a van, bin up. 2 men in my line, heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
I told her my name is Sam. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. The boyfriend ran for that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her. I roll one star affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright, this ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in napkin. Still loading, that's the
We are
caption I'm
patient
on,
to
yeah,
get
I'm
our
making
first
breakfast.
entry. We all know patience is important for any trader. You have to wait. You have to wait and take entries where it makes sense for you. If it doesn't make sense, guys, wait. These are the simple rules, honestly, I really added in my trading and they really made a difference for me. If you're looking at the charts and you cannot really answer your few questions, you wait. Look at this crazy, beautiful entry here. I love such moves where you execute and immediately fly in your direction.
Alright. Let's send the address through, please.
Oh my god.
Man have to send her therapy. She got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters that don't work. It's porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man. Book one flight and they're all impressed. I'm in the G63. The car hugs me like a friend through twists and turns. Man, living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fuck. Don't know which one's worse. I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers. What's hers is hers. What's mine? Dated you, AP baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures and stared at Baylor? Look what you made me do. Yeah. Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my blaze woman, why you so focused on your Asian side? I know that the Jack boys pray that they get to the clubs on days inside.
Sway, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Feel free to ask any trading question.
P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you. All red lamp just to tease you. Your whole year in a week too, yeah. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House of ones, you need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from Ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking mommy, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like to get me laid. Switch on my core, if I kill any pain. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, yeah. Every day a nigga try to end me, yeah. Pull up in the wrong yeah.
Oh my god, sorry about that. Honestly, the worst days for any trader to take crazy losses are weekends, at Mondays and Fridays. But still, the reason, this is from my own experience and my own research, most traders take losses like on Fridays because they are trying to flip accounts so that they can ball via the week. Much zeal. That's why me, honestly, I love locking in consistently. I don't like taking day offs. Okay, guys, let me see type congratulations to Vicky. Let me see type congratulations to our participants.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga Brad Pitt, legend of the fall to the year like a bandit. Buy mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the rate the car.
Guys, I need to see more congratulations to our participants.
Give me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House of ones, you need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from Ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my car if I kill any pain. Look what you got.
That point when The Weeknd said we don't pray for love, we pray for cars. Anyways, guys, let us look into our next participant. Just 2 attempts to go, and this one is already locking in. Yeah, it was a short. Yeah, guys, I need you to let me see you traders type locked in. I want to know how many guys are still locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Someone type locked in, locked in, locked in, locked in for live. You are unforgettable. Okay, I can see IN8 locked in. Cameron, you're still locked in. Victor, you're locked in. Boss, Clever, you're locked in. Second attempt is in, guys, and this is a continuation entry. I'm just trying to follow the bearish market. The way you're locked in. You are unforgettable. The way you're locked in. Hey, guys. Some names are hard for me. Yeah, but good to see you all, guys. Are locked in. Daddy Socks, Crush and Mash. Good to have you. Let me see you type congratulations. 2 attempts are in. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. You are unforgettable. Prince, good to see ya. Guys, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Enid, good to see ya. Barbara, good to see ya. Mr. Funker. Trent, good to have you. Silas, good to see you all. The Trading Assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Fenright, good to see ya. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn, guys. Alfred, good to see you. Henrietta, oh my god, that's a beautiful name there. Just 2 attempts for our next participant, Noah. And guys, if you want to be added on the list, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you will surely be part of the participants for tonight. You guys are crazy. Whenever you're doing honestly market analysis, no one can you really analyze a market that is not existing? You analyze the chart that you're looking at, and this is what I'm always telling you guys. No one knows what is going to happen next in the markets, and you never know. All you have to do is to analyze what you're looking at. Based on that, execute your entry. What happens next, it's none of your business, because we don't have control of what happens after you have executed the markets. Being in the sky doesn't ever get lonely, thinking you could leave without me. Put you up there. Leave without me. Oh my god. These are the entries I love taking. There was some good momentum from buyers.
I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall.
And if you love them, fuck them all. Let me set up congratulations to our participant, Nor. 2 attempts are in. Tell me how it feels sitting out there, feeling so high, but the phone waiting for me. You know I'm the one who put you up there. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Leave without me. Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. Thinking you could leave without me. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. So tell me how's it feel? Tell me how's it feel sitting out there? Being in the sky doesn't ever get lonely. Thinking you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. I don't know why. How did you get better? How did you get better? Guys, when it comes to trading, we all know it is a skill. So the more you really keep on
Working
practicing,
on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
the more you keep on
Haven't done my
showing up
taxes,
and
I'm too
consistently,
turned up.
and you also focus on doing the right thing in the market, because you
Niggas
could
call
be
me slipping,
showing
what's
up.
okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.
Yeah,
Man,
you
that
could
house in
be
Rosewood, this shit too
showing
plush.
up, but you're not really
Say my
focusing
name
on
number, but
building
I
this
keep waking
thing.
up.
That's how you're really
See
gonna
my
get
text,
better
baby,
at
please say
it.
something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move off my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
This is a trading custom. Be free to ask any trading question. I can see my friend is enjoying working on a weekend like usual.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
$100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automatic bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, cause it been the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granted, she was standing right there while I catch play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto sent you on the dick. Too many convicts, they enrolled me to play in this shit. Drive with nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. They had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. I'm on a PJ lining it up, backwood full of sticky. I'm trying to tote that Draco in London, and it's a stick.
Okay, someone is asking if the market takes out the most recent high, so we change the bias to bullish. Yes, if you are looking at a bearish market, that is true. If the market takes out the most recent high after giving you a pullback, but that high, oh my goodness, crazy. I'm sorry about that, Holy Spirit. I'm sorry about that, Holy Spirit. My final attempt has been taken out.
I'm in the loop with the boo. I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face for the news. I put the puss on the shirt. After I murdered it, baby, go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird. Nigga's birthday, you a maniac. I'm fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat. I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch.
When you are in a bearish market, the market takes out that high. Yes, you are free to shift your bias from being a bearish market to a bullish market, but you would want to see that high being taken out with a candle closing above it, because if you just see a wick and the candle closes below it, then that is not a valid break-off structure. You would want to see a candle closing with this full body above that high. Oh my god. Another entry is taken out. That was a crazy confirmation for a pullback there. Okay, guys, let us refund and try again. Let us try again now. I'm using all the indicators with the default settings. And someone was asking, how many candles do you count for a valid pullback? One thing I know it is you shouldn't count one candle as a pullback. Yeah. And when it comes to number of candles, I don't think it matters. What matters when you're looking at the market, it's not the number of candles for you to think now it's a continuation or to think it's a pullback. You would want to see more like a confirmation from a candlestick pattern. For example, if I'm in a bullish market, I'm not going to count the number of selling candles that are printed. I would want to see a bearish candlestick pattern, like bearish engulfing, bearish pin bar followed by a strong momentum candle. I think I would trade more based on that compared to counting that 3 candles. There could be 3 candles that are red, but honestly, it's not a pullback because they are tiny and they're not showing any momentum from sellers. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. One of your girls tonight. I'm not forced for the world to see. Train my whole life to see. Take me to world, but I'm still not free. This is a secret that I keep. Until it's gone, I can never find peace. Waste my whole life just to be. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. 2 more attempts to go for our participants. Then I like her. I'm a wifer.
It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, lick the pipe up. And advance from the safe in your face when you say, money dance, turn the shit into a night club. Yeah, fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Yeah, fuck with me and get some money. Yeah, fuck with G and get some money. No limit, I'm a fucking soldier. Ay, always lit, yeah, I'm never sober. This for 3 days in a row, yo bitch coming over. Told that bitch to kick rock, she act like it's a boulder. Ay, Rory, shopping, that mean copping, always popping, hella popping. She's a lover, homie, hopping, ain't no stopping. Album dropping, got the city on fire. Bitch lying on me like she tired. I'ma have to fuck around and call Kamaya.
Guys, of course, whenever the market is really moving, it has to create those weeks. But actually, these are not the weeks that you should be worried about when you're looking at the charts. These are just normal weeks of candles closing and opening. The weeks that you really would want to care about as a trader are the ones the candle is so that the wick is so long and the body is tiny or not even existing, and the candles are more like a cross, and they are also being formed in a key area. Like after the market breaks structure and you see such, it's a confirmation that there is a price rejection happening, and that can also be enough reason for you to start anticipating more of a pullback happening in such a case. Okay, guys, let me see. Type congratulations to Brima. Let me see. Type congratulations to our participant. 3 attempts are in, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
Fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Fuck with me and get some money. Fuck with G and get some money. It ain't nice, fam. You can study where I'm from on my vice land. This is nothing new to me, this my life, fam. I could pull 1,000,000 girls from a mic stand. Pull one at my show cause I like fans. Later on I got 2 in my night plans. Man, this year I had 300 one-night stands. Keep a Costco pack of rubbers in my nightstand. Damn, Daniel back again with the Saint Laurent. Hey, they send me product. Yeah, it's retarded. Hey, this was free. Hey, bitch, you bought it.
me and get some money. Yeah, ay, fuck with me and get some money. Ay, yeah, fuck with me and get some money. Ay, yeah, fuck with G and get some money.
First person shooter mode. We turning your son into a funeral. To them niggas that say they don't office, you better be talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. A lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2 on the UNO. Yeah. Numero UNO. Me and Drizzy, this shit like the Super Bowl. Man, this shit that they big as the...
William, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Your turn is gonna reach. All you have to do is to keep locked in on the charts. The strategy is simple. Nick Rich, the strategy is simple. It is price action. And when it comes to price action, the first thing I look out for is to understand the market I'm dealing with. You have to know, am I in a bullish market? Am I in a bearish market? Am I in a sideways market? It is important to know that. The other thing I look out for is understanding the market structure. We all know in an uptrend, structure is moving in series of high highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, structure is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. In a sideways market, the market doesn't form such structure. It just bounces up and down. So how you approach a sideways market is to buying low and selling high. That is it. You don't look for structure like in bearish and bullish markets. You look for a zone where the market is bouncing in between, and you buy the low of that zone and you sell the high of that zone. How can I participate? It is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description. That way, I will surely add you to the participants. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to Maryland. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to our participants.
I'm about to click out on this shit, I'm about to click. I'm about to click out on this shit, I'm about to click. I'm down to click out on you hoes and make a crime scene.
3 attempts are in. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants.
She got dry clean. She got an Android of messages, it's lime green. I search one name and end up seeing 20 teams. Nadine, Christine, Justine, Kathleen, Charlene, Pauline, Claudine. Man, I pack them in this phone like some sardines. And they send me naked pictures.
Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day to cruise. So congratulations to Maryland. Go and enjoy.
Man, if your pose up for sale, I buy the whole thing. Will they ever give me flowers? Well, of course not. They don't want to have that talk because it's a sore spot. They know the boy, but when they got a boycott.
Can you teach me? Of course, this is a trading assembly. I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. You can always join the trading assembly and we learn because we are here to learn. And feel free to ask any trading question because why not? Is it possible to turn 10 to 10? Guys, one thing I love about trading, it doesn't come with any limits. That is the freedom that comes with trading. You can even wake up and choose to turn your $1 to any amount. It all depends on your strategy, your locking in, and how good you are at trading. Trading doesn't come with any limitations. It is a freedom space. You do what you want. As long as you can survive in the market, you do what you want. No one is gonna stop you.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends.
Yeah, trading is about you and your emotions and your capital. No one is going to limit you. You do what you want, and if you feel you can do it, believe me, you can. All you have to do is to log in and start.
Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 now say out past 10. House party 10, turn up with your mans. Arguments all day with your bands. Just to go out, gotta fight for this shit. Gotta realize your high school.
I have seen, in Cameroon, I've also seen all that.
But you don't trust niggas, no.
But you don't trust me, no.
But they still trust you. They still fuck with you.
Oh my god. That is so crazy. That is so crazy. Someone is saying, and remember, you can also turn 10K to $10. And it is very much possible. And this of turning 10K to $10, it can also take you 5 minutes or less. Yeah, that is the freedom that really comes with trading. That's why it is important to build discipline, because amidst everything, with the freedom that comes with it, building it is discipline on some days that is only going to save you and last longer in this market.
Different than it was before. People around you want no more. BFF, oh yeah, for sure. Wonder what they're in it for. Look how good you treat it.
How can I?
You could birth like 4
Abdul, you can use the donation link down in the description.
They still fuck with you.
And the minimum, guys, for the donation is 400 USD.
Everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that how you know.
Girl, that's not me.
Somebody gotta love, but somebody gotta love, but
Oh, girl, that's not me.
somebody gotta love,
Girl, that's not me.
Honestly, I didn't see this coming. I'm sorry about that. Let us refine it. Let us move on to our next.
She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with us. No need to pretend. No need to pretend. Drama is for you.
Take that anything.
Drama is for you. Take that how you lose. Take that how you lose. No need to pretend.
Oh my, this crazy momentum. I was about to say congratulations. Let us refund and try again for William. Guys, wish luck, William.
Follow through. 2 inches to the left, nephew. All right, hold on. I think I got it. Really need something to calm me down so I can get this right. Man, I totally agree. So look, we'll call a couple of homeboys up, some homegirls. Yeah, let's get back together and make this thing pop. That's a great idea. And later on at the treat, let's show them our movie. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Because it's groovy like a drive-in movie. And then we're going to smoke a doobie. And hopefully we'll get each other a groovy. All right. All right, I'll meet you in a second. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. Follow through, baby.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to their stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade A.
It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy is getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, folk blunts like Khalifa, put the weed in the
So we get drunk.
So while we smoke weed, we're just having
fun. We don't care who sees. So while we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my
Alright
team
guys,
get
let me
on
see
beat,
type
we ain't
congratulations
care.
to William.
everywhere we going, and now you know it when I
Let me see
step
type
right
congratulations to William. 3
That's how it
attempts
should
are
be done.
in.
Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
from the ground up, pound up this Taylor.
And you know how we do it guys, everything goes to the participant right away.
Now I'm chilling, fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a science project, me and Matt killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV, HD3, high S. And we gon' roll and live
So
on.
what we get drunk. So what we smoke weed. We're just having fun. That's how it's supposed to be.
We are young
and wild and free.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one.
when you live like this, you're supposed to party.
Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one. When you live
Just
like
one
this,
attempt
you're
from me,
supposed to party.
steady.
Roll one,
Crash and
smoke
mash.
one,
I love that.
and we
Keep
all just
showing up. Keep showing up. Don't lose momentum. Yeah, because I know sometimes you lose momentum. Sometimes it's easier to lose momentum, but don't lose momentum. We are young and wide and free. William, you're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. Oh my goodness. This crazy selling candle. Samarbuzo. It came for us. Oh my god. Let us refund and try again. We all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let's do that.
I used to think about immature things. You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, and none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace.
Come on, I don't want to see any buying momentum in my zone.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
And that's the way I like it.
And you smile from underneath bitches.
That's the way I like it.
When I'm down in front of me,
That's the way I like it.
I'm sorry about that, Mr. MD. Guys, let us wish luck to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, let us congratulate all our participants for tonight and all those that it didn't go well. Next time, better traders. Next time, better.
when the sun goes down, everything made me feel lonely. Had a sad thing, but right now it's just a home. Shit felt good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype, you're my favorite coach,
Yeah, next time better. Guys, if you want to be part of the participants tomorrow, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations, basically, I be trading for guys who reach out to me and they want me to trade for them. So through donations, you can do that. I can do that for you. Donations are not financial investments, they are purely for trading and learning purposes. So you gotta know that they're not financial investments. This is a trading assembly. I always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. Everything been no take. They salute me so damn much every time I show up, nigga, her about face. Everything no cut, I fuck y'all up. I don't really go trip out, babe. Lord, heavy 7 guts while you waiting on us. Tell them I was on PCH. You fucking with niggas that's thinking they cuter than you. So you and your psycho, but he on.
And this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
So much I was thinking it's foosball. The tenderness of them was taking them for somewhere good. Walk, talk, like Kenny, like Moss, like Solana. I promise, more buzz. There's a waltz, there's a crater, or a spaceship. Shut the fuck up, get lost. No favors, I'll wager.
Cameron, you are saying according to your research, what happened to the research? I didn't get to see the comment very well. I use the indicators with the default settings. It's a fresh week coming, guys. Do you have any traders that already have their trading plan in set? Things that you can include in your trading plan are your entry models, your strategy, and how you're going to be executing your entries. Yeah, you can include that. I'm gonna wait for a break of structure. Then after a break of structure, the market pulls back, doesn't take out a particular zone I'm looking at. Then it gives me a continuation candlestick pattern. So that's how you can really state your entry model in your trading plan. And if you're looking at it every time you feel like the market is getting hard, it just reminds you that these are the entry models I should be always looking out for and execute based on that. You include your risk management in your trading plan. I mean, like I always tell you guys, I do not set daily targets anymore because I used to find it so hard. I would find myself putting myself under pressure to trade, to hit the daily target. I set weekly or monthly targets for me. That's how I've been moving here. That is included in my risk management. So you can also set your risk management plan and how you want to be really managing your risk in the market. You have to include how you're going to behave after some crazy profits, because we all know sometimes profits, they give us so much confidence, and overconfidence sometimes can lead you to donating back your profits back in the market. All those things you have to really include them in your trading plan. The beauty about having a trading plan, it's just going to be guiding you whenever you're trading. Guys, we all know a trading session, especially if you're locked in alone, it can be crazy. Sometimes emotions can overtake. Sometimes you can just be, if you've been there, you know, you all know what I'm talking about. So if you have your trading plan beside you, I mean, sometimes you just have to look back at what you really set, the rules, the rules you set for yourself, and they just rewire you back to your senses and you get back on the charts. All those are ways you can really lock in into the market. You know, trading is a skill we build, but also market discipline is something that you can build. There is no single trader that was started out trading with very good market discipline or good trading psychology. But as you keep on locking in over and over again, you start realizing you need to put certain systems in your trading to become a better trader. Like I always tell you, all those things are for better traders. If you want to really be a better trader, you have to consider having all those things in line. Of course, at first, sometimes it feels like a lot, but it reaches a point when it's just something that is part of you. It's like a routine now. It's not something that you have to overthink. William, I love you too, guys. Much love from here. Cat Lover, good to see you. Trent, good to see you. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Guys, I think I should wish you a good night. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. I do have a Signal group, so if you want to join, it is simple. Create an account with my link, send to me, write to me via Telegram with proof that you did, and I'll surely add you to the Telegram Signal group. I also have a link down in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join a community of traders because, guys, you know we are locked in from all over the world. Every part of the world, we are locked in from there. Okay, we'll meet again tomorrow, same time. I love you so much. Bye.